Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain how to write the definition or body of the member function of a class in C++. Right. So generally there are two ways of writing the definition of a member function of a class. So in that first one is writing the definition within the class. So here the body of the function we can write within the class, that is before we terminate the class. Second one, we can write it outside the class. That is, once we define the class, outside the class we can write the definition of a member function. And if you want to write outside the class, then you have to make use of scope resolution operator. You have to make use of scope resolution operator. Is it clear? So this we'll see practically with an example program. We'll go to the program. Here you can see that I have created a class called sample. Right. So I'll define two data members. One is X and one is Y. These are the two data members. Since I did not specify any access specifier, it indicates a private data member. So methods I'll be writing in public part. In public, I'll just say void get int A, comma int B. Right. So next I'll just say void put one method. This method does not take any parameter. Close the class and terminate the class. So here this is an example of a class called sample, which has two data members X and Y, and two member function. One is get, which takes two parameter, and one is put, which does not take any parameter. Now we'll write the definition. As I told, there are two ways. First one is writing the definition of a member function inside the class. So I will take this method and I will try to write inside the class only. Here you can see there the class is closed. Here I am writing the definition inside the class. Right. So now what I will do, I will just say X is equal to A. Whatever value is being passed to A will be copied to X. Y is equal to B. Whatever value is passed to B will be copied to Y. Right. And here you can see there I will write this put method outside the class. Right. This one method definition inside the class, and this method I will write outside the class. So if you want to write the definition outside the class, you should write the function prototyping. Right. Outside the class, I'll write the definition outside the class. Is it clear? So this whatever the get method is there, so this get method, here I am writing the definition of get method inside the class. So here you can see that I am not using any scope resolution operator or anything else. So once the class has been finished, now here I am writing the definition of the put method outside the class. If you want to write it, first you have to make use of the return type of the method, that is void, and you have to specify the name of the class to which this particular method belongs. I'll just say sample, void sample, scope resolution operator, 2 : symbol indicates scope resolution operator. Then you need to write the method name put. If there are parameters, you have to write the parameter. Here there are no parameters, so I am not writing anything. So cout, I'll just display the value of X, endl, cout, I'll display the value of Y, and close this one. So clearly see this one. So this I'll just write a comment, definition outside the class. So this is what I'll just make it very clear. This is prototyping. This is declaration. I'll just say declaration. So here you can see two methods. One is get method, where I have written definition inside the class. One put method, and I have written outside the class. In order to write the definition of a member function outside the class, then you have to use the class name followed by the scope resolution operator. Is it clear? So now we'll go to the main method. So we'll go for the main method. So in the main method, I will just create an object. I'll just say sample es. So I'll just call this method s.get. I'll be passing 10, 20. Right. So I'll use just clear screen such that to erase the previous output. Right. So after this one, what I'll do, I'll just say s.put. I'll call the put method. Right. Get ch and close the method. Is it clear? See here I am trying to access both the method. Now we'll save this one and run the program. Once I run the program, you can see that I'm getting error. Sorry, by mistake there was a semicolon. Save it and just run the program. You can see there you are getting the result 10 and 20. Is it clear? So this is how we can write the definition of a member function inside the class and also outside the class. Whichever way you want, you can write it. Is it clear? Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.